An estimated magnitude 4.1 earthquake felt in the eastern part of the island. A 4.1 magnitude earthquake struck in the vicinity of Kingston on Sunday at precisely 11:45 a.m., as reported by the Android Earthquake Alert System, which has been instrumental in providing timely notifications to the public. The epicenter of this seismic event was estimated to be 14 miles, which is 22 kilometers from the bustling city, with vibrations and tremors being felt across various parts of the island, causing a brief moment of concern among the residents. Fortunately, despite the noticeable shaking, there have been no immediate reports of injuries or significant damage to infrastructure or property, which is a relief to both the local community and authorities. Local authorities, in collaboration with emergency services, are diligently monitoring the situation, ensuring that they are prepared to respond swiftly should the need arise. They are also committed to keeping the public informed by providing timely updates as more information and seismic data are gathered from various monitoring stations. Residents are advised to remain vigilant and to adhere to any safety instructions or guidelines issued by official agencies, which are designed to ensure public safety and mitigate any potential risk associated with aftershocks or related seismic activities.